Last 5 seconds. Ready, start. The Commission may, in its discretion, fix the minimum qualifying marks to be scored obtained by the candidates in written examination or in aggregate or in both, and relax the qualifying marks on reasonable grounds to be recorded in writing. In accordance with the provisions of the Commission Act 2008 and the Rules 2010, the Madrasas Service Commission kept making recommendations against vacant posts which had arisen from time to time. Various candidates were appointed as teachers. However, a challenge was raised by the respondent 1 by filing writ petition number 20650 of 2013 as stated herein above. It was submitted that in terms of section 10 of the Commission Act 2008, the managing committee or the administrator would be bound to appoint the candidates recommended by the Madrasa Service Commission, and the consequence of not following such recommendation would visit penalty as provided for in section 12, and that if the writ petitioner as a minority institution was entitled to administer institution of its choice, it would have a corresponding right to select teachers on its own, and that any deprivation of such right would be violative of the right conferred by Article 30 of the Constitution. On the other hand, it was submitted on behalf of the state that under the provisions of the Commission Act 2008, the Commission would merely select and recommend teachers and non-teaching staff of madrasas, but the appointment would be given by the institution concerned, and the overall control of the managing committees of the institutes concerned in respect of such staff was not taken away by the respondents, and the day-to-day administration of the madrasas was not interfered with. It was further submitted that the number of madrasas in the state was 614, and the madrasas imparted education in accordance with the syllabus prescribed by the competent authority in respect of all subjects except Arabic and Urdu. The most of the madrasas were located in the remote areas of the state, and the student population taking education in these madrasas was about 5 lakh. The submission was that the state was rendering necessary aid and help to the managing committees in finding good quality teachers as per qualifications prescribed by the National Council for Teacher Education for imparting quality education to the students, and the whole purpose behind the legislation was to provide the students with good quality teaching. The submission was paraphrased by the single judge as under. For the respondents, there are primarily two grounds justifying the relevant provisions of such legislation. First, the madrasas concerned is fully aided and for its financial requirements, which is fulfilled by the state government. Therefore, it is bound to follow recruitment procedures for fair and comparative selection of teachers. Secondly, in terms of the provisions of the impugned act, the Commission merely selects and recommends a teacher, but overall control of such staff lies with the managing committee, where the government does not interfere. Thus, the role of the Commission is that of a mere recommendatory body appointed by the government. Stop.